What is ROI? ROI stands for Return on Investment. It's a simple way to measure how much profit or benefit you've gained compared to what you've invested. Here is the formula. ROI equals net profit divided by the cost of investment, multiplied by 100 to get a percentage. Now, why is ROI so important? In simple words, ROI helps you evaluate whether an investment is worth it. Let us break down how to calculate ROI using the formula. For example, if you invest $1,000 and earn $1,500 in return, your ROI would be 50%. That is because your net profit is $500, which is half of your initial investment. The higher the ROI, the better the investment. Or think about buying a house for $200,000 and selling it for $250,000. The ROI here is 25%. ROI is a great decision-making tool. It allows you to compare different investment options and choose the one with the best returns. Second, it helps allocate resources more effectively, whether it is money, time, or effort. And finally, ROI shows how successful a project, campaign, or investment has been. Start applying ROI to evaluate your investments today.